We're excited that you have your CakeSafe-LITE. In this video, we're going to show you how to assemble it. So let's start with the top first. First, you're going to unfold it with the brown side facing up and the window farthest away from you. Then you're going to slide the box off the edge of the table so that a flap hangs down. Then you're going to lift and fold the left flap up and repeat it with the right flap. Then pull the whole top section down so the circles line up. Have the top flaps bend away from the box. You're going to hold the box where Julie's left hand is and fold the flaps up in order to slide them into the box. Now you actually slide them into the box, making sure the small top flap is bent away from the box. Fold the right flap over the opening, bend it at the crease, and fit it inside the box, making sure that the small flaps are all bent up. Now you're going to repeat this with the left side. You're folding the flap in, making sure all the small flaps are bent up. Now you're going to fold the top flap down, and there are small tabs that lock into the slots and the small side flaps lock into the corners. That's it. Now you've assembled the top, let's move on to the bottom. How to assemble the bottom of your CakeSafe-LITE. First, you're going to unfold the bottom half of the box with the flaps at the top and straighten the accordion sides. You're going to square up the box so you have 4 straight sides with the flaps out. Start with flap 1, which is the one with 2 side tabs, and fold it over just inside the edges of the box. Now you're going to take flap 2 and fold it over the first flap. Now you're going to repeat that with flap 3. And then the 4th flap is going to fold over the first 3 flaps. You're going to press down to make sure the edge fits underneath the first flap. Now carefully remove the front perforated panel using a utility knife or a sharp knife. Place that panel into the bottom of the box for extra strength and support for your cake. Let's take a look at how the full box goes together. First, place the cardboard pad in, then the washable foam pad. Then you can slide the top over the bottom. Then insert the center guide piece into the top. And now you can take your center rod and use the hand pusher tool to push it down. It will be going down through your full cake and into the pad. Please note that it is very important to always lift your CakeSafe-LITE from the bottom.